Hello, my Rasul Ramakrishna, this is Nick Padala. So one person told that possibilities are there basically. We can't say 100%. Then one of the person told that there is supposed to be, what is the reason behind basically the World War One basically, World War Two, and currently also basically operation ongoing. So reason is basically what basically. So one of the person told that there might be some story basically. For example, one person told the government basically are doing their tasks. Let's take one example basically. One person told that basically uh, government say that basically how their uh, things are basically connected. For example, from this is basically one city basically where one water pipeline basically is getting dumped basically. So they say that basically they have the entire water data basically which is going to pass from this pipe basically, and they say that basically one entire pipe basically is not possible to create basically. So for that basically they creates hundreds of pipes and they basically joins through the welding basically. But they say that basically how to check this basically that the water is not going to leak. So they say that basically they have created one laser basically equipment that basically you can give as a name as a torch. That torch is equal to total number of water basically going to pass, and that torch basically from that torch basically they are checking it basically that these all are the water. If that basically laser is passing from that pipeline basically, that means basically there is error basically in this welding basically. So this is basically one of the best example basically of government creation basically. So here one person told government basically never trust the people basically. Why? It might possible that one day basically the government will also get end basically. That possibilities are there basically. Because public say that basically why basically we require government. We will not run the country by own basically. So next video.